to look at is importing data into Gretl and setting it up as time series data. So we're going to follow the same steps as we've done before by going File, Open Data and clicking User File. And then we're going to navigate to where we've saved our data. We're going to make sure that we've Excel files selected in the bottom right hand corner. And the file I'm going to load in is the Introduction to Econometrics student sheet. I'm going to click Open. Now I want to take the data from sheet 1, okay, for this particular example, and from column 1, row 1. I'm going to click OK again. Now it's going to ask me, the imported data have been interpreted as undated. Do you want to give the data a time series or panel interpretation? In this case, yes, I do. I want to give the data a time series interpretation because the time series runs from 1976 until 2008. So this is data over time. So I'm going to click yes in this instance, and it's going to ask me a number of questions. So it's going to ask me the structure of the data set. I'm going to select time series and click forward. It's going to ask me the frequency, and in this case it's annual data, so we have it every year. If we had it every quarter, we'd click quarterly, every month we'd click monthly, and so on. So in this instance it's going to be annual. I'm going to click forward. Now it's going to ask me what year does the data start, and if we go into Excel, we'll see that in this case the data starts in the year 1976. So I'm going to input 1976 here and click forward. And then it's going to confirm that based on the number of data points we have, it runs from 1976 up to 2008. And that is the case for us. So I'm going to click Apply. We now have loaded in our data from 1976 to 2008